welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Do It. Sounds like a weird game, but that's just what it's called. Okay, you start off as a bread factory, and you have to sell a bunch of dough to gain money. Then you get to buy a stove, and then you can unlock the pizza factory, which you buy an oven after getting a lot of money from the bread factory. Then you get the flattener, then you get the cheese grater, and then you get the sauce. Then you could get the donut factory, unlock a billion recipes here. Then you could get the cake factory. Holy, this game is very glitchy. And over here, okay, the ad's dead. Then you can unlock the pizza factory 2, donut factory 2, cake factory 2. That's it. And then after you unlock donut factory, you can unlock the shop where all your bread and goods go in use. And it requires these gems, the blue gems in the top corner. Oh, looks like these guys are full. Time to break the game. They're called dough coins. I call them blue gems. I don't know why. Oh, I could buy the chocolate topping. Woo, I'm playing an ad. I hate playing ads because they're stupid. Congratulations, I got 2048. I'm not impressed at all. I've got to create new recipes, or else I'll lose the game. 2 new recipes. Raw fancy chocolate cake. And chocolate cake. Discover 30 recipes. Look at all these recipes. I've got breadcrumbs you get on Pizza Factory. Here, I'll show you how to get it. Well, you can get it on any factory other than the bread factory. Because dough plus oven equals bread. So, whoops. So you move this one here, and you take your oven, and put it over here. It creates bread, and then it cracks. That's how you get breadcrumbs. And it only gives you 1 coin if you can't read. Do you think I've been playing for a long time? If you have thought I have been playing for a long time, you are wrong. Ooh, that's a lot of donuts. That's a lot of money. It's stuck in the ground. He's like, help me, help me. Here, I'll help you. Get sold. I hope someone ordered half of a pizza. So much money, but not enough money. Does this create the same thing? Yes. But over here it just creates chocolate dough. I like chocolate dough. Oh yes. I also know how to make raw cakes. But I've already got the recipe for that. Okay. Raw fancy cake base. Raw fancy chocolate cake. Fancy cake base. Fancy chocolate cake. There are so many donut recipes and cake recipes. I just need like so much money. And you might be saying, hey, you already have so much money. But the thing is, I don't have enough money. I need more. To be exact, I need 540,000. Way more. That's the exact amount I need. And all I have is 78.3 thousand. This will be a long day. But hey, this beat is nice. Yeah, my pizza factory is also going to be a little bit hard for my phone to handle. I like Greystone Plays intro. Alright, we're checking out the only game where the goal of it is to erase the entire Earth. it's blah blah blah. But I know the actual game. It's Roblox Destroy the Neighborhood. He would just say it's Roblox. But you have to buy it. That'll be my next video. I don't think you guys want any more of this seemingly boring game, so this is a good time to end the video. Subscribe. Comment ease. No, like, my letter is E. Comment E, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.